Jai Shri Ram, welcome to Astrology with Abhilasha. Today I'm discussing about remedies. What are certain combination where remedies does not work, and what is that combination in our horoscope due to which we are unable to perform the remedies given to us by a competent astrologer. Now let's understand, why is remedy necessary? Karma does not make any distinction between this life and the next one. It repeats and repeats until the soul evolves. It is not possible to return as less than you were before. Your life, your soul is eternal. Your life is all about progression and never regression in the context of journey of soul. Karma is not about punishment. Rather, it brings balance by giving you repeating opportunities that you have missed in the past. Your astrological chart shows how best to accomplish your spiritual journey back to the universal womb, back to the spiritual source. We all are progressing towards the universal soul and toward the universal womb from where we took birth and got engrossed in the cycle of karma. So now let's go ahead and discuss few techniques and tips. So if you are inclined towards astrology and you are an ardent follower of this science, by now you must have heard of a concept of Drid Karmas in our horoscope. So there are 4 signs which depicts Drid Karma. These are Taurus, Scorpio, Leo and Aquarius. So if a planet which is destined to give you malefic results sit in these signs, the sign of Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius, it is suggesting that the karma related to these planets are very hard to rectify or to correct. It is very difficult to yield good result from these planets if they start giving you a malefic result, if they form a malefic yoga sitting in these rashis. This is the concept of fixed karmas. It is not completely impossible to rectify these planets, but it takes lot of time and patience and continuous effort to rectify these planets and to make them give result according to our needs. So there is a whole long span of life which goes in appeasing these planets, working in synchronicity with the demands of these planets and rectifying them in long run. Now the other combination which I have seen in charts while giving out consultations, these are the chart of natives who, even after being given the best remedy, even after getting their chart decoded by best of the astrologers, are not able to rise in their life. They are still not able to yield good results. What is the reason? The reason is there is a certain combination in their chart which holds them back, hold these natives back from performing the remedy itself. So even after putting in so much effort of going to an astrologer, taking the consultation, paying them and getting a remedy out of the astrologer and still not being able to perform that because of some or the other hindrance which come and stops you and make the environment or atmosphere such where you are unable to perform the remedy. So for this to check, even the astrologer should check this combination before giving remedy to the native, that if their chart have this combination, they will not be able to perform the remedy. The combination is, look at your chart, see where Jupiter is sitting. If 10th to the Jupiter, the 10th house from Jupiter is afflicted, is in affliction, then this native will not be able to perform the remedy given to him. Due to some or the other reason, the process will be hindered, or he will not even start doing the remedy. Maybe because he loses interest midway, maybe because there is some casualty which happened, or some or the other reason. The remedy is not completed. So now what is the solution for such natives who have an afflicted 10th house from Jupiter? They should assign somebody else to perform the remedy on their behalf. Such natives should hire a Brahmin, a qualified Brahmin, to perform the remedies, or better, if they request some of their family members to perform the remedy on their behalf. It can be your mother, your brother, sister, wife, husband, father, anybody who can take a sankalpa. Now, taking a sankalpa is a complete process which is very mandatory when you are doing a remedy on somebody else's behalf. So there should be a complete process of taking up sankalpa and then performing the remedy. That is the only way out. Otherwise, this kind of native who have afflicted 10th house from Jupiter, from the placement of Jupiter, will not be able to perform the remedy, however good the remedy can be, and they cannot rectify the malefic effects of the chart. So this is the only solution for them, that either they hire a qualified Brahmin to do it on their behalf, the one whom they trust, or they can request any of the family member to do so. So that is all which I wanted to tell you today. I hope you check it in the chart, this 10th from Jupiter, affliction of 10th from Jupiter, and it works really well. And if such is the condition and you are a practicing astrologer, you must take care of this before giving out the remedy, that you suggest them that they should take somebody else's help in performing the remedy, so that they can actually complete the remedy and yield good result from it. And remedies are very necessary. Just like only visiting a doctor and understanding your disease, getting diagnosed, is not the complete process. The process is also of taking the medication, doing the right diet, and getting healed eventually. So this is the complete process and the complete, the outlook of astrology, that consultation and remedy. These are like yin and yang. You cannot choose only one, that only I'll take the consultation and I'll not perform the remedies and everything will be okay because I consulted an astrologer, everything should be okay. No, this is not the way. Consultation is one part and remedy is the another part. So that is all for today. See you in another video. Jai Shri Ram.